3rd of July. I'm getting a really late start today. We are at Barry Field in Woonsocket, Rhode Island, and we're here for some fireworks. So it's about 8 o'clock right now. Fireworks are supposed to take off at about 9. So I'll show you them to you. So we're going to be probably a really short vlog tonight. Really didn't do too much today. Just kind of hung around the house. So, what'd you do? Oh, la-di-da for you. You want a parade?
Yeah. You want to vlog all about your party at your friend's house? All right then.
So fireworks should be about an hour. Oh, Grandma would be in heaven right now. Hully Gully. You do that. It's a dance.
I know.
Alright, we are about half an hour away. Figure half an hour away?
Yep.
So fireworks here at Barry Field in Woonsocket. Should be pretty good. They have a band playing right now. They're not too bad. Spent the past about 2 hours. We came down here, went to eat supper, and then just walked around the stores, and then just came up to the field to listen to the band. So. Mommy and Ashley on the phone, of course.
No, we're looking at dresses for her to get. Look at dresses for back to work. They're on sale 70%.
You're on the camera. I just taught you how to put something on your Snapchat story, so you were on your phone.
What about something like that?
I got my Woonsocket High School athletic shirt.
SMH, huh?
Does it make me look at
I don't even know what that means.
Shaking my head. Oh, that's actually
tech savvy.
it's actually a cool shot. I got the moon in the shot behind me.
And you got a plane too.
Your hair's so wet.
Yeah, I know. I went in the pool.
Oh, feedback. All right, we're about 10 minutes away from the fireworks. This band, they're okay. They're okay. They're doing okay.
Is this a great location for fireworks or what, huh? Barry Field! It's also a great opportunity to support the village.
All right, we're about 5 minutes away from fireworks. Girls are starting to get antsy here. They're getting bored.
It's dark enough.
So, should be any time now. We bored?
Eagle fireworks.
Huh?
Somebody's lighting off eagle fireworks.
Well, yeah, we've been here for a while. It's dark enough. They should be able to light them off now. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please click the thumbs up over here. If you want, you can subscribe below here and click the bell icon. That'll give you notifications. If you want, you can click up here to subscribe. If you want to see my last video, you can click right here. If you want to see a video from about a year ago, click right here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.